Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shashni YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share to your all friends. Okay friends, now we see the Magnum, Toto and Singapore winning proof. First see the top prices winning. First see the top prices winning. Later we see the special and consolation prices. Many more prices winning in both chart. Okay friends, now first we see the top prices winning. The Toto first price 4423 in this chart. This position winning. This position winning 4423. The L shape winning. The Toto first price and second one 2815. Toto second price winning 2815. This position L shape winning 2815. The L shape also Toto second place winning. And the Singapore SGP Singapore first place winning 1087 also winning in this chart. First we see this chart, and Singapore third place 7618. This position T-shape winning 7618. This T-shape winning Singapore third place. And this chart also 1087 Singapore first place winning. This position 1087. This also many more times I told the box type, this area many times winning the top prices. 30 January also 1087, this area winning Singapore first price. And 7618 also this position winning 7618, the T position. 30 January the video I told already, the T position, this area first to concentrate the T position. I told already this area 1 2 3, this area the T position first to concentrate. I told already many more times. So 30 January also 7618, this position 7618, the T shape winning. So the T shape many more times, this area many more times winning. Okay friends, thank you very much. This is one of the top prices winning, 4 top prices winning in both chart. Okay friends, now we see the winning proof, the special and consolation prices winning, many more special and consolation winning. First we see the Toto winning proof. Toto 3519 special price winning 3519, this person coming, this one 3519, the L shape, this one winning. And 8042, this person winning 8042, the T shape winning, T shape. And 3687, this position winning 3687, the T shape winning. And 5396 consolation price winning 5396, this position winning 5396, the box type box winning 5396. consolation prize, and 8743 also this position winning 8743 the T-shape winning. And this chart also 8743 this position winning 8743 the Z shape 8743 Z shape winning. So both chart same number coming, and 3182 this is Z shape coming, 3182 this is Z shape coming, and this also 3687 this also 3687 this else Z shape 3687 this is Z shape, both chart winning. So this one and this one both chart winning. And now we see the Magnum and Singapura winnings. Okay friends, now we see the Magnum winning proof, special and consolation. Magnum 4D winning proof. First we see the special price 1603 in this chart, 1603 the L shape winning in Magnum special price, and 4768 this L shape winning Magnum special price. And Magnum the consolation prices also 8107 the same, the Singapura winning prices same, the consolation price also Magnum winning 8107, and 9123 the consolation price Magnum this position the straight 9231 the straight one Magnum consolation price winning, and 3149 the L shape winning the consolation Magnum, and 4768 this chart also winning 4768 this position winning, 4768 the L shape winning the special price Magnum. So both chart winning this special price 4768 and 4768 both chart winning in special price, and 7868 this position winning 7868 the box type winning special price in Magnum, and 8215 this position 8215 the L shape winning Magnum special price. Now we see the Singapura winnings. Okay friends, now we see the Singapura winning proof, winning numbers in special price SGP winning proof Singapura 1845 the special price 1845 this position winning, this position the box type this position 1845. So 30 video I told the box type, the circle area you concentrate the box type. Totally the Singapore 1807 also top price winning, and 1845 this area also Singapore special price winning. So the circle area very important for the square shape very important, all numbers coming ready, and 4872 this box 4872 this box also a special price winning, and 6491 6491, 6491. The L shape winning special price in SGP Singapore, and 6834, 6834 the T shape winning, and 9256, 9256 this question, 9256 the T shape, this T shape winning special price in Singapore. Totally 5 special price in this box, Singapore winning, and 482, 4872 also this person winning, 4872 the L shape, the special chart also winning, this one both chart winning, 4872, and this one also 4872 box type winning. So both chart winning this number, and 1845 this also winning, this one 1845 the L shape, and both chart also this one winning, 1845 the box type, and this one L shape winning, same number. And okay friends, that's all. So totally Singapore also 5 special prices winning in the chart. Okay friends, totally so top prices, both chart winning, top prices totally 4 top prices winning, and special prices 13 special prices winning, consolation prices 6 consolation prices winning. So totally 23 numbers winning in the chart, my prediction. So this is my prediction friends. Please subscribe my channel and please share my channel. Thank you friends, thank you very much. Totally 23 winning proofs in my chart. This chart fully closed, on top prices and special prices and cancellation also fully closed. So don't miss it my chart, and this chart also maximum closed already. Okay friends, thank you very much. This is my predictions. So please subscribe and please share to your all friends. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Okay friends, now we see the Magnum 4D and Toto 4D and Singapore 4D SGP 4D predictions for 31 January 2021. Okay friends, now first we see the special chart number. The special chart number is 3, 5, 6, 6 and 4, 7, 1, 2 and 8, 4, 1, 3 and 9, 0, 4, 5. This one special chart. This chart, you know, the L shape and T shape and Z shape prediction sheets. Z very important. You concentrate first. You concentrate this area. Many more times I told already. This area Z first to concentrate, and T this area first to concentrate, and the L shape this area first to concentrate. Okay friends, now we see the new chart. The new chart number is 3, 6, 4, 2, 1, 8, 5, 1, 4, 9 and 7, 6. This is my new chart. This chart also, you know, the square shape very important. The square shape maximum, the round circle, this area you concentrate, the circle area this one, this position, are sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4 these positions. this questions coming. So you concentrate the circle area for square shape, and sometimes this question also coming and this question also coming. So don't miss it, the square shape and the T shape also. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 this area, and this area for T shape. And the L shape, you see this area you concentrate L shape, this area you concentrate for L shape. Okay friends, this is my 31 January 2021 predictions. Don't miss it, this chart, and this chart also many more numbers coming ready. So predict well, you can win top prizes, more chances have. So don't miss it, this chart. Okay friends, thank you very much. Terima kasih, best of luck.